This video is to show how you can change the constant hot wire on the 12-volt power outlet plug from the back to the front. On a 2014 Ram 1500 Crew Cab, you can make one of the 12-volt power supply plugs hot at all times by changing the fuse position from F90 to F91 in the fuse box underneath the hood. This will turn the rear 12-volt plug hot at all times. This video will show you how you can change the full-time hot from the back to the front. On a 2014 Ram 1500, the 12-volt plug wire harness is under the driver's seat. Put seat all the way in the rear position and locate plug nearest the center console. This plug controls the front and rear 12-volt plugs and the hot for the USB in the armrest. The red wire is the hot for the USB in the armrest. The blue wire with the pink stripe is the hot for the rear 12-volt, and the pink wire with the yellow stripe is the 12-volt plug in the front in the center console. The black wire is the ground for all three, actually. So what we're going to do is change these two wires over from the back to the front and the front to the back. But it's easiest done on this side of the wire connection. First, you're going to take out the lock mechanism for the terminals, and then release these two wires and change them over. Just switch these two wires over. And put the lock assembly back in. And reconnect the pigtail. Now what we've done, we have switched these two wires, and now the hot wire, which is this one, will go to the front, and this wire will go to the back. This will be with key only now, and the front one will be with the constant hot. Just reinstall the pigtail under the seat, and that's it.